Hello everybody, welcome back to the second session of the first chapter, Entrepreneurship in Entrepreneurship Development. Myself, Professor Jyoti C. Hiremat, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kundagod. Today, in this session, we'll be going to see the meaning and definition of entrepreneurship, and enterprise. In the last session, we saw the introduction of entrepreneurship and entrepreneur. So the objective of this session is to make the students understand the concept of entrepreneurship, and enterprise. The outcome of this session will be to enable the students when and how to apply it in practice. So let's know what is the meaning of entrepreneurship, and enterprise. So we'll begin with the first, that is entrepreneur. So who is a entrepreneur? He is a person who employs by himself, is called entrepreneur. He is a person who sets up a business or businesses, taking on financial risks in the hope of profit. Therefore, an entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business, bearing most of the risks and enjoying most of the rewards. Thus, the entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and business or procedures. Now, let's see what is meant by entrepreneurship. The activity of setting up a business or businesses, taking on financial risks in the hope of profit. The new business opportunities have encouraged entrepreneurship on a grand scale. So, entrepreneurship is about building a life on your terms. There are no bosses, no restrictions, or there are no schedules, and no one holding you back. Therefore, entrepreneurs are able to take the first step into making the world a better place for everyone in it, including themselves. Then let's see what is meant by enterprise. It is a project or undertaking, especially a bold or complex one. So it may be a joint enterprise between French and Japanese companies. Therefore, enterprise is another word for a for-profit business or company, but it is most often associated with entrepreneurial ventures. People who have an entrepreneurial success are often referred to as enterprising. So now, after going through the meaning of entrepreneurship, and enterprise, now let's see their definitions. First, we'll see what is the definition for entrepreneur. So, the term entrepreneur is defined in a variety of ways, yet no consensus has been arrived at on the precise skills and abilities that make a person a successful entrepreneur. The term entrepreneur was applied to the business initially by the French economist Cantillon in the 18th century to designate a dealer who purchases the means of production for combining them into marketable products. Another Frenchman, J.B. Say, expanded Cantillon's ideas and conceptualized the entrepreneur as an organizer of a business firm central to its distributive and production functions. Beyond stressing the entrepreneur's importance to the business, Say did little with his entrepreneurial analysis. So, according to David Ricardo, a contemporary of JB, he say the foremost motive of a risk taker is to mass capital, and capital accumulation is the sine qua non of economic development. Then according to J.S. Mill, the word entrepreneur means he is an organizer who was paid for his non-manual type of work. According to him, extraordinary skills acted as the bedrock in production process that ought to be possessed by the entrepreneur. Then let's go to the definition of entrepreneurship. More narrow definitions have described entrepreneurship as the process of designing, launching, and running a new business, which is often initially a small business, or as the capacity and willingness to develop, organize, and manage a business venture along with any of its risks to make a profit. The capacity and willingness to develop, organize, and manage a business venture along with any of its risks in order to make a profit. The most obvious example for entrepreneurship is the starting of new businesses. In economics, entrepreneurship combined with land, labor, natural resources, and capital can produce profit. Then, enterprise. The definition of enterprise is a project of willingness to take a new project, an undertaking, or business venture. An enterprise is a company or a business, often a small one. Enterprise is another word for non-profit business or company, but it is most often associated with entrepreneurial ventures. People who have entrepreneurial success are often referred to as enterprising. The summary of this session is that today in this session we saw the meaning of entrepreneurship and enterprise, and we also saw what are the definitions of entrepreneurship and enterprise, and these are the references which I have referred for this session. Thank you.